Hi. Today's video is actually a request. I'm gonna be showing you guys how to do that like braid that I do across the front. So it's gonna be a Dutch braid, and what I have here is a brush, a clip, a couple of bobby pins that I dropped, and then some like little elastics, and a comb, or like a rat tail comb. So with like this braid across the front, if you start, like, say I've got my hair parted right here. If I started here and braided it, it would leave the like widest section like right here, and I want the widest section here. So I usually take my comb and I part a little bit of hair from over here that I want to add into it. So let's say I want to start like here. Yeah. So this is going to be the braid. So I take that section and I follow along and I part out where I want the braid to go. And then this hair here gets clipped back because we don't need that hair right now. So then you look like a scene kid. Actually I might add just a wee bit more right there. So on your first section, you're gonna take the hair. It's gonna be kind of small, but you take the hair. Let me get a cleaner one. In 3 sections, and I usually pinch the middle, and then I take this front section, do it under, and then this section over here, do it under, and I alternate grabbing them in the middle, and then I cross over a couple times, and once I get back to this piece over here, I go ahead and grab a little section next, take these fingers, smooth this out, pinch this section, put it under, and I put it like in my fingers here and grab it, and then I do this section and then adjust, and then I pick up my next section, add it in with this, move everything to the middle, and then add to the end, pinch, move to the middle, adjust, add to the middle, or add to the end, move to the middle. It's like so repetitive. And I've got my head tilted to the side like for comfort while I'm doing this because of like the way I'm reaching. And then like once I get over here, I start kind of like braiding the ends, because this is where I'm gonna go ahead and stop it. And then I take my elastic, put it right here. So then I've got my braid, and I'm gonna end up pinning it back, but before I do that, this is a lot tighter than the ones I usually do. because I was trying to be clean so that you guys could see like the sectioning, but I just take my fingers and pull and like try to break up that hair and like make the braid a little bigger, because it's normally a lot bigger, but like I said, I was taking like such small clean sections so you guys could like see what I was doing, or hopefully see what I was doing. There's a hair here. Where are you going, Bella? Alright. And I just keep pulling back this way. And then I have a braid that's like sitting on top of my head right here. And I'll take it and put it right here. I kind of do like a cross right here so that they stay. And then I go back in and look and see if there's anything I want to adjust more. Doesn't always get pinned great. I keep dropping my bobby pins on the floor. But yeah, so then I've got my braid there, and I drop this hair here over it, and then brush it. Alright, and then that hair covers like the braid, like where I took my sections, and then it also covers where I pinned it. So then you have like a little, like a headband braid. This is a really good style for like the summertime, or like just wanting your hair out of your face. And it's pretty like fancy, I think. My cosmetology instructor wore her hair like this all the time, and I was like, that's so smart. And it's also pretty, and it's also kind of easy once you figure out the braiding part. Like just taking your fingers, pinching, moving to the middle, and then readjusting. You have to like move everything to the middle, and like once you add your hair, you add it on the side, move it to the middle, and then you adjust, and then the same thing, add the hair to the next side, move to the middle, and then adjust. It's just a lot of like, when you don't know how to braid. I only could do like regular 3-strand braids. I used to braid my hair in like pigtails, but yeah. So there's the little headband braid. I hope this helped you guys out. If you have any requests for videos you want me to do, just leave them down in the comments. Because this one was actually a request. Someone asked me how I did my hair like this, so I was like, I can show you. And sometimes I take it this section even farther down. I actually usually take about to here over, but I don't know. I've got like some baby hairs through here that are acting up. They're like, so I don't remember having this many before. But yeah, so thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!